Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Copper Stream. Today we're doing Cup of Bloom. Before I continue, I'd like to give a shout out to Ace Shard for finding this word. In terms of the original person, I actually cannot find the source because on the next form, I actually can't find it. So I have to go on this other part of the spreadsheet, which actually allows me to go and see that. So the original person I'd like to give a shout out to, I don't know the name of. But let's give a shout out to Ace Shard for finding it on the transformations sheet instead of the keywords sheet, which is where I initially first found it. Let's go to it. Bloom. Oh, that's not bloomy at all. That's actually kind of lovely. It tastes soft like rose water and something green and alive. There's this warmth spreading through my chest, like the sun just settled inside me. Like what? What are you? You remind me of the troll from the troll movies, but like, kind of like a flower and elf at the same time. Huh. You speak real quiet from what it sounds like. Okay, that is the Cup of Bloom. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.